Hi, this is Ronald Redito, ronaldredito.org/blog, and I'm here to make a quick review about mass article control, which is the best solution for your content problems. So, what is mass article control? So, mass article control contains two important softwares, which is number one, the article creator, and the second one is mass article submitter. So to show you, I will pull up the mass article creator, which is here. So I have prepared a simple article. So we just need to paste it on the right side, okay, and then we should click this button, use all possible keywords, and then the software will automatically change those words that is highlighted in red, and when you click on articles and preview possible articles, so it will pull up those articles, original articles. Okay, so here you can see that there are 1,000 articles created from a single article. So this is the best solution for your content on your websites, and it will avoid duplicate, and you will not get penalized by the search engines. So on the next video, I will show you the second software included in mass article control, which is the mass article submitter. So again, this is Ronald Redito, and if you like my video, click the subscribe button on the left side, oh no, I mean the right side of this page, and just that. Bye bye.